Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Mandy here on Brock Family Farm. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of sewing, but first of all, I need to address one thing. How many times I said the word excited in the last video? I was so excited, in fact, that I said the word excited when I was supposed to say exciting. I'm excited. This is exciting. You get that. Well, and another thing too, I guess, my gasp in the last video scared me in editing, so maybe if I just take a couple deep breaths. And maybe some more coffee. So today is going to be an experiment. And the reason why I say experiment is because I don't know what I'm doing. My husband literally came home, put 2 Carolina Reapers in my hand and said, plant this. But shouldn't I at least soak the seeds first? Nope. Well, what do I do then? Take the seeds out? Put them in soil? You can do that. But wear gloves. I think that might be best. So here I am with Carolina Reaper seeds. We aren't going to soak them or do any kind of prepping or research, no. I'm going to do exactly what my husband says. And then whatever happens, I can either say, I told you so, or I might have to put my foot in my mouth. All right, well, we are in the greenhouse now, and I got my seeds. They are right here. In the last video, I actually called this tray a 70 count. It's not 70, I can count. It's 24. 24 cells in this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix up our soil with some water, and then we're gonna fill this up. All right, got my soil in my container. I am going to be adding warm water to this and mixing it in until I get the right consistency. Could be using gloves, but I'm not going to. So this is just regular potting mix. Potting mix is good for containers because when you're starting your seeds, you don't want to use any soil that is too dense. There are pieces of mulch in here that I like to kind of weed out any big pieces because those could get in the way of your seedlings trying to grow. So you don't want that. I need more water. And the consistency that you're looking for is you want to be able to grab a handful, squeeze it, and it create a clump. But you don't want that clump to be dripping with water. So I got it pretty good here. I will get you a closer look. All right, so here's my soil. Clump it. Holds its shape, but it's not dripping water. That is going to be perfect. So here, what you want to do is you're going to go through and you're going to press down just a little bit. You don't want to push down too hard, just to make sure there's no air pockets because this is a bottom water feeder. So if your soil isn't touching the bottom, it won't be able to absorb the moisture it needs. A little bit more to the ones that sunk down. Any kind of bigger ones of this, I just take out. So we got our cells full I'm just gonna do what I normally do for my peppers. Just go 1/4 inch, make little tiny holes. There's a big piece. I'm gonna take that out. Alright, here we go with the seeds. So like I said, these are the Carolina Reapers, and when I looked them up because I was curious, first ones that I saw were red, but the ones Cody brought home were yellow. So I kind of peeked around, and I saw that Baker Creek does sell the yellow Carolina Reapers if you're interested. I wonder if I should even be wearing gloves for this part of it. What I'm going to do is just go through and put one seed in each hole, and then go back and see if I have enough to put 2 in each. So, well, my fingers aren't burning yet, so that's good. Alright, so that's 2 seeds in each cell. I'm going to cover them up with just a little bit of soil and then put on the humidity dome. Got my label. Put that in there. The humidity dome. And that is ready to go. And if you're gonna ask down in the comments if I plan on eating these, the answer is no. Not me. I can do maybe like this much spice, and that's it. So I'm kind of a baby when it comes to spice. No, these are solely for my husband. He loves spicy and he loves torturing himself. Look at my tulips. They look great. Don't need to water. Those are looking really good. Let's look at everything else. Boobies. The marigolds are still looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of this hasn't taken so far. So when I filmed the last video, these have only been sitting out for 3 days. So these marigolds germinated in 3 days. And on the website and on the seed packet, it said, I think it was 7 to 10 for these. So these germinated really quickly. I did get them from Pine Tree Garden Seeds. So far, really happy with the germination I'm seeing from this particular flower, and I will definitely be buying these again from them next year. So here we are back to the Delphinium and Gomphrena. I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 germinated so far. I am seeing quite a bit difference in the Rudbeckia. Hopefully it'll focus for you. But those are definitely sprouting out. And over here is California Wonder. Peppers take 10 to 21 days to germinate, I believe. So we should be seeing that probably in a week and a half. So here we have more Gomphrena. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 over there, and the 4 marigolds all germinated in this one as well. Well, the seeds have been sown, so we'll see how this experiment goes. I'm just not sure about it. I think I've always made harvesting seeds from plants more complicated than it probably is. It's just not something I've ever done before, so I always feel more confident doing things when I can read about it, research it, and know for sure what I'm supposed to do. So this weekend is going to be very busy. We have to get the temporary shelter up for the sow so that she can farrow. It is supposed to rain most of the weekend, but I'm going to try and take out the camera at any time I can to show you how that project's going. I really appreciate you guys watching today's video, and I'll see you soon. What do you think of these guys? What do you think? Huh? Cheese. Bubby got a haircut, huh? Did Daddy give you a haircut? Do you like it? That's a woodpecker. Yeah, woodpecker. Cheese.